Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about 10 ways to earn money from YouTube. The potential of earning money through YouTube is substantial. You can earn Apple money that you may have never thought of or imagined in your wildest dreams. Yes, we are talking sense, and it is pretty realistic. Predominantly, people think the primary source of making money through YouTube is advertising. However, you can also earn money when users buy your channel's YouTube Premium subscriptions, and in lots of other ways which we are going to inform you below. Several YouTubers are monetizing their channels effectively, even if they do not have considerable subscribers. As many people mislead the YouTube business by considering a fact that one's earning potential is solely determined by the number of subscribers and the views, but that's not true all the time. The other requisite factors include the level of engagement your channel generates, the revenue channels you explore, and the niche you cater to. In this blog, we will enlighten you with different ways through which you can yield impressive returns by putting minimum investment. If you are thinking of opening your own channel and becoming a YouTuber, follow any one idea with grit and commitment, and you will see astounding results. Number 1. Become an affiliate and review products. In order to earn from ads, you may need to have massive subscribers. In your initial phase, you cannot rely completely on advertisement revenue, as it may take a lot of time to achieve a considerable subscriber base. However, associating with brands and reviewing products to earn commission is one of the most effective ways of making money from YouTube. You can generate decent revenue by looking for companies who want to invest in affiliate marketing if you have an engaging and loyal audience on your channel. A perfect chance to grab a percentage of sales made by sharing your unique affiliate links in your video description. Number 2. Offer video editing services. Why not sell your skills and help other people by making their videos captivating? All kinds of video creators are eligible to earn money by offering video editing services. However, one should be proficient in video editing and have specialized expertise and creativity. Many companies charge a hefty amount for editing videos. You can charge a bit less amount to gain recognition in the beginning. Transforming a simple video into an engaging one and offering your customers a concierge YouTube video editing services is a sure-shot way to success. Number 3. Earn from ads. The biggest source of revenue from YouTube is becoming a YouTube partner and yielding returns from ads. Many professionals are earning an impressive amount, and that's why it is considered to be the most essential revenue stream if you want to make a living from YouTube. There are many ways to make money from ads, including Google AdSense, channel memberships, and the ads displaying before your videos. To generate revenue through ads, as a YouTuber your channel must garner 1,000 subscribers and a minimum of 4,000 video watch hours in the last 12 months. Whenever you achieve a 4,000 hour video threshold, you can tap into YouTube monetization. The customers who have opted for a YouTube Premium subscription are not entitled to see any ad. Still, YouTube supports creators by allowing them to earn a percentage of commission of total watch time. However, apart from ads, there are many other ways to maximize the earning potential on YouTube. Number 3. Get your fans to pay you directly. You can set up a process that allows your fans to support your channel by paying you. There are different ways of making money that may require a lot of effort, but earning this way will require you to ask your fans to show their appreciation with their credit/debit card. Following different steps will help you motivate your fans to pay you. Persuade your fans to become YouTube Premium members. Encouraging your subscribers to become a YouTube Premium subscriber may not benefit you extensively, but still, you will earn by a cut of their subscription fee whoever is watching your channel. YouTube replaced its fan funding feature with Super Chat in 2017. Organizing live chats by using Super Chat is exclusively available to YouTube partners while they live stream. As per the Super Chat feature, users are set to be highlighted and pinned for a set amount of time depending on how much the users are paying in the live stream. Persuade your fans to become channel members. The viewers get access to the live stream of your channel by paying a particular amount. Besides the access, the viewers get badges and custom emojis. Building a promotional strategy to encourage your fans to become your channel members is indispensable. Plus, you should include several tiers of membership. Similar to Super Chat, the feature is only available to YouTube partners. Number 4. Sell online courses. A lucrative opportunity is waiting outside your door. If you are already good at informative or educating people about a specific topic, you can earn a decent amount showcasing your videos. One should know to package your proficiency and teach a skill relevant to your audience/subscribers through an online course. If your subject and teaching skills are validated by your subscribers, you can yield astounding returns. You can also create your own digital products and sell them through your YouTube channel, including templates, ebooks, printables, downloadables, and workshop events. Number 5. Consulting and coaching. If your channel has reached a considerable level of subscriber base, the potential of earning by leveraging the consulting services to your audiences is great to generate more revenue. Becoming a marketing consultant and getting paid for the services you provide to your audience on an hourly basis. Sounds interesting? You can easily achieve this target by following the methods listed below. If you have to manage 1,000 viewers on every video you publish, even prominent brands and other companies who want to promote their product or services may use your channel and pay you heavily. Furthermore, they may also approach and pay you well in order to manage the company's channel. The other way round is to consult businesses in your area of expertise that you teach on your channel. You can also offer one-on-one coaching sessions to the audiences and charge them as per the skill you are going to teach them and the time invested to teach that skill. Number 6. Become an Amazon influencer. Becoming an Amazon influencer will not only help you get recognized globally, but also maximize your YouTube presence and allow you to generate ample money via Amazon recommendations. Once you join the Amazon program, you can place the product links in your video description. You will be getting a handsome commission of up to 8 to 10 once the users click through and make an Amazon purchase. Number 7. Get skillful in YouTube SEO. Finding an effective answer for how to make money on YouTube? Maximizing your YouTube SEO is one of the best ways that will help you step up your game. To conduct YouTube SEO, it is imperative to perform extensive keyword research. Simultaneously, you must think of something unique and relevant to what the majority of people are searching for on YouTube. The next step is to ensure the use of high-quality keywords in your video title, video tags, and descriptions. 8. Perform a live show. One can also get paid handsomely for gigs in which they perform live in niches such as comedy, acting, arts, magic, pranks, or dance. You can host and perform the videos of your talent live on YouTube. The audience would love to see you put up a live show if you have already built a substantial subscriber base. Even if not, this is one of the best opportunities that help you increase your subscribers. You might have seen various artists, comedians, actors, or dancers go around the world conducting shows and getting paid really well. You can reach the same level by creating your own gigs and uploading them on your personal channel. If you want to take a tour on how to make a perfect gig, you can check out the gig marketplace including Gig Salad. Number 9. License your content to the media houses. Still not sure how to earn money on YouTube? It is another way that allows you to earn ample money if your video goes viral. Once your video is in high demand, news outlets may require you to replay your content to their audiences. In order to achieve their target, they pay a handsome amount to the owners of that YouTube channel. Always ensure that you have updated your contact details on the About Us page, including your phone number and email address. If you have a video that is not much recognized, some platform like Jukin Media is a magnificent place to start. It is a platform where you can sign up to a video rights marketplace, and this will help your video to circulate among different types of audiences. Number 10. Collaborate with esteemed brands to sponsor you. Various businesses across different industries including gaming, apps, beauty and wellness, nerd culture, toys, and tech are paying a good amount of premium to promote their brand or products on YouTubers' channels. If your channel is able to generate organic sales, it will help the brand to boost its sales. At the same time, it will make your channel popular. It is witnessed by many brands that showcasing organic content on YouTube channels is an effective way of marketing compared to spending ample money on advertisement. To return this favor, these prominent brands sponsor your video and spread it among the mass audience by doing a paid partnership. Listed below are the 3 tips that must be followed in order to make sure sponsored content work for you. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon. Goodbye.